this video we will learn about the trap which we are using in plumbing system. So before that we just get to know what or where we are using and what is the purpose. So first, this sewage. Basically sewage is waste water which itself produce flue gases. These gases are unsafe to health and sometimes it's fatal. So we can't stop the process of producing the flue gases from this waste or from the sewerage. But we can definitely stop that entry of such gases into the house. For that purpose we use the trap in plumbing. Means sewerage that produce the fall gases, but we can stop that gases, but we can definitely stop the enter that such gases into the houses. Just because of that, the purpose we are using this trap in plumbing system. So the trap can be defined as fitting at the end of piping. If you are asking about which piping, that are the waste pipes or soil pipe. So that to stop that fall gases which we don't want to enter the house. Okay, now question is where you get these traps. So if you look below your kitchen sink or toilet sink or bathroom sink wash basin, then you will notice a U-S-shaped curved pipe coming down from the drain opening. So that shape is the drain trap. That's called the drain trap. Basically, plumbing traps are important component of sewerage system. Basically, trap can be made in different shapes and they are normally named after the shape of the letter. And there are like a P trap as I shown, S trap and Q trap. Depending upon the use and the location, various type of traps are in the plumbing. So now I'm just introducing the P trap. P trap is hold a small amount of water that stop the sewer gas from the rising up into the building. So this is a P trap, and here this trap just store the small amount of water. This is the inlet and here is the outlet. When water there is a small amount of water that just stop the sewerage gas from rising up in the building, because there is a sewerage. This side connected to the sewerage foul gas whenever hit or whenever come from this side, then this water just save it or stop the gas so that gas can't come into the building through this. That's why it's called seal, or you can say it's water seal. This is a water seal. Its minimum is a 2 inches and maximum is a 4 inches. And this P trap basically installed under the wash basin, sink and Indian WC. And P trap are made from the cast iron and UPVC sheet. This is a S trap. S trap is similar to the P trap. That P is like this we already covered. And this is used for fixing WC. And S trap is helpful for outlet through the floor. And P trap that is helpful for outlet through the wall. And in this trap, small amount of water just stored here, and it's a seal, water seal that stop the flue gas. This is the inlet and its outlet. This Q trap is similar to the S trap. Q trap is used in a toilet under the WC, and it's used in upper story part. First floor, second floor, we can use this Q trap. The only difference between the S trap and Q trap is that Q trap used in the upper story toilet and S trap is used for the ground floor toilet.